So it's me, Tashrifa, from Tashrifa's Imaginary Home, back with today. And today we are going to be doing a really fun, exciting science experiment with flowers. So for this experiment, we need coloring. We'll be needing flowers. Let's get started with the experiment. So I'm going to be keeping these flowers in this pot for now. So we are going to be adding these in the cup, 2 drops, and just keep in mind that you need a big, large container and a little container to put it in here like this. So I'm going to keep the blue food coloring over here at the large cup and the purple one and the little one. So we are going to be adding 2 drops, as I mentioned, sorry. So let's get started. So let's add 2 drops. Get me so excited. It's so black. Mix it with this cute donut fork. This doesn't look purple to me. Mixy, mixy. I think I need to add more. No. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more drops, I guess. That'll be okay. Okay, I think this should make it work. I think it's just getting blacker or something. Oh, since this is an orange cup, it probably is looking black, but it's actually purple. Time for the blue. 1. It looks so cool. 2. Let's mix it. Okay, I'm excited about the blue. It looks more cooler than the purple. Wow. Look at it, guys. It looks so cool. I feel like I'm in an ocean. Now I'm going to add this small cup into this big cup. So now you can see that I didn't fill this water fully, and now you're going to know why I didn't. If you filled it perfectly up, the water might come up and it might go in the little cup and mix together. Now we are going to be splitting the ends of the flower into half, and for this we need an adult cup, so I'll be back after splitting them. Come closer. So as you can see, ends are split together in half like that. Now we are going to add one end to the purple and the others to the blue. So let's do it. I'm getting scared. Oh. We're gonna do the same with this one. Okay, it's kind of cool when they add together. I'm going to just give you a close look around what I've done so far. You get to see the magic tomorrow, so bye for today. We left the flowers on the blue and purple water for 24 hours, and now we are going to see what happened to the flower. So as you can see, the flower is not totally blue, but there are some little tiny spots of blue there, and it looks really cool to me. And there is no purple spots anywhere, so the purple didn't work. It's all white. The flowers we were talking about, the blue one, I expected it to be all blue, but it turned out a little different than I expected it to be. But it's not bad since it actually worked. But the purple one, it didn't even show up at all. And I think the experiment was not that bad, but you guys decide if it worked well. It was so much fun to see what the flowers do, and I really liked it. So I hope you enjoyed it watching our experiments. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions in mind. Bye! See you in the next video!